Roy from Roy's Auto Shop. Today I'm going to be working on a 2010 Toyota Tacoma 4.0 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. Wiper blades. Okay, before you remove the wiper blade, always put a towel or something over the glass, because once you remove this, you don't want this arm to fall down and hit the glass and might crack it. So always put something to protect the glass. So I'm going to be removing this wiper blade. Putting on the new wiper blade. Putting on my towel to protect the windshield. Remove the wiper blade. Putting this guy in. And you're good to go. So that's how you replace wiper blades. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.